Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you guys. We will be doing a foil conversion on one of my favorite clients, my Elsa White Blonde client named Amy. We're going to warm her up a little bit and do a very subtle foil conversion. Okay, for her low light, I'm going to be using Goldwell 8N, 8G, and then for the root paint between at the root, I'm going to do 7G and 6N. My client Amy is my Elsa Blonde Icy Level 10 that we always do a baby light retouch and a root tap on. So today my goal is to give her a very warmed up, low maintenance lived in look with a very subtle low light. I cannot stress that enough. We are not trying to darken her up too much. We're just trying to give her a little bit more dimension and let her go longer in between sessions. So I'm using the technique of 2 highlight foils to 1 low light. So every third foil is a low light with my Goldwell Colorance 8G and 1/4 of 8N. As you see here now, I'm just doing my very fine baby light weave, my very fine stitch that I'm known for. And we're packing the foils in. This is another highlight foil. And you can see I'm just touching the new growth. And some of them I will drag it down a little further if I see any remaining darker color in there that I want to kick out, because we do want everything to be evened out. I quickly wanted to add that I'm using my favorite lightener at the moment that I fell head over heels in love with, which is Goldwell Oxycur with 20 volume and a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. As you guys know, if you've been watching and keeping up to date with my videos, I was trying a new lightener I would say twice a week, every time I would go to the beauty supply. And I fell head over heels with Oxycur. So this is my new favorite lightener. I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. And that's just another thing of Goldwell's I'm using today here in this video. Of course, all their Colorance is my paint between formula and my low light. And of course, the lightener, the Oxycur. So I'm not sponsored, but I do love Goldwell. They're a little pricier, but they're so worth it because they work amazing.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you mess with my head, you lied to my mother.
I am currently waiting on my Framer restock, and all I have are my silver ones, and I usually love using a colored foil to keep me organized when I do highlights and low lights, but since I'm out of my colored Framer foils, I am using the pop-up ones for my lightener foils and a regular foil for my low lights that I had in the back, just so you guys know in case you were wondering.
'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost.
So when you're doing a foil conversion, there are 2 ways you can go about it. If I wanted a very drastic change, I would paint the base color all over the head and then throw in low lights afterwards. but because my client is a level 10 and we're not trying to darken her too much, I'm just trying to add a little bit of dimension, I am doing foils and a paint between. This way it will not look as harsh and keep everything very well blended. And my paint between color is Goldwell Colorance as well, 7G and 1/4 6N. When doing something like this, as a rule of thumb, always go one level darker on your base color than the low light. The root color should always be the darkest and never more than 1 or 2 levels darker.
Never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head.
I also wanted to add that my client's natural color is a very, very ashy level 6.5, 7, so that's why I'm using levels 6 and 7 for my paint between shade. You never want to go on a blonde client naturally darker than their natural base color, because that will end up leaving them with a line of demarcation when their hair grows in. I hope that makes sense, you guys. Just basically remember, you never want to go darker than the client's natural color.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost. You're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside my head. I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces.
So this is probably an unnecessary step because of the paint between and it was blended seamlessly, but because I'm a perfectionist, I'm shadowing her with Lumishine Demi Liquid 6N 6NA for 10 minutes because you can never ever ever blend enough. After she processes for 10 minutes, I did tone her with shades EQ 9N, 9V, 9P, 9G, a warm, a neutral, and 2 ash tones, and it came out amazing.
You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head.
Oh my god, you guys, there you have it. Another video is now in the history books. She has the best silky, healthy, strong hair that does whatever I want it to. That root shadow is to die for, and the lowlights are very, very faint and subtle and very natural looking, just like we wanted. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's free to support. Let me know videos you want to see down below in my comment section. And until next time, you guys, so long for now.
Said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a